Alright, this is our Keurig Slim, and it is calling for a descale. So the first thing I'm going to do is unplug it. And I'm going to fill up this tank with 1/2 vinegar, 1/2 water. Vinegar's already in there. Make sure there's no coffee pods in there, and there is. Plug it back in, making sure that the coffee pot is completely powered down. You hit the 8-ounce and 12-ounce button simultaneously. And then it says descale, and you push the K button. Well, that's running. I believe it takes 8 cups of water to get the descale process completely done. So you may have to refill the tank once or twice. Okay, it only took 4 cups of water for the light to go out and the descaling process to be complete. However, there's still some vinegar water in there, and I'm gonna run probably another 4 cups through just to get the vinegar out of the lines completely. On a side note, if you have to add more water during your process, be sure to take this off to add water, because my dad has the same Keurig, and for whatever reason his light wouldn't go off. And I figured out that if I removed the tank to refill, I think there's a sensor in there that says that, hey, they had to put more water in it by taking that tank off. And that's what worked to get his actual light to go out. So hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out.